Hey, what's up guys, it's me Tato, back again with recipes that make you wanna cook. On today's video, let's make this delicious chicken feet recipe. Stay tuned. Let's get started guys, and as usual I will leave all the ingredients in the description box down below. Now as usual, when I cook chicken feet honey, I always trim the nails and give it a pedicure. After that, you're gonna go ahead and give them a rinse, and you're gonna add them into your hot pan and saute them just until they turn a golden brown color. You're gonna go ahead and add just a little bit of oil to get the chicken feet going. Then you're gonna add your chopped onion and finely chopped celery, place them in there, and you're gonna saute that for another 3 minutes. Soon after that, you're gonna go ahead and place your tomatoes and some fresh chopped garlic. I was using cherry tomatoes, but you can use any tomatoes, just chop them, even canned tomatoes if you wish, but I prefer using fresh chopped tomatoes. You're gonna give that a stir and saute for another 3 minutes. For the spices, you can absolutely use any spices of your choosing or that you have in your cupboard honey, but for this I used the spicy chisanyama, and for the herbs I used the mixed herbs. You're gonna add them in there, stir everything around, and once they're done cooking for about 2 minutes, you're gonna go ahead and add your garlic pepper. Now for a bit of zest, I'm gonna go ahead and add the green onion seasoning. Because I added some celery, I feel like the green onion seasoning complements the celery so beautifully. You're gonna go ahead and add 1 chicken stock cube and continue to saute honey. To simmer everything down, you're gonna go ahead and add hot water. Make sure that it's hot or warm so that the chicken feet don't take a long time to come back up to temperature. They can quickly simmer and start to cook. Okay, then once you have submerged in the water, you're gonna go ahead and let them come to a gentle simmer, and you're gonna close the pot and simmer for about 25 minutes. After 25 minutes, you're gonna go ahead and check the water level. If you think you need more water for more sauce, you can go ahead and add that in there. I did not add any more water because I was not looking to have a lot of sauce. Sometimes for me it depends on the day. I like my chicken feet saucy, sometimes I don't, but if you're having them with pap, you definitely need that sauce honey. Then you're gonna close your pot again and continue to simmer for the rest of the time until the chicken feet are done to your liking. I like mine falling off the bone, okay honey, melting off of there. And once they're done honey, you're gonna go ahead and plate it up, add your sauce on top. The sauce is everything, okay? The sauce is absolutely everything. Once that it is done, also you're gonna chop up some celery greens and garnish with them honey, because I feel like it just gives it a fresh depth of flavor, a little bit of zest as well. Look at that sauce honey. Ooh wee, so delicious. Please comment down below and show me some love, and I'll show you back some love. Please like the video if you have, and subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you on the next one.